Second is starting. All right, now we're good. Now we can jump onto the quiz. That's 20 questions this time. Which hypothesis involves equality?
That's the null.
Yeah, the null. The p-value is probably 2.
All right, let me log in. Trying to make arrangements for my son who has surgery next week to be out of school, and it's so stupid. And let's see, Ireland.
Is question 4 null as well?
Yeah, I believe it's null. We'll have to run through them again as soon as Tani gets it up, just so she can be with us. But I think it's null. You compute and you assume the null is true.
Yeah.
And then for 5, two-tailed is when it does not equal 10, because 10 is what the mu is for the null. For a left-tailed test, it's green.
Wait. So 5 does not equal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it does not equal 10.
I think 6 is mu is less than.
Less than 10, yeah. Right tail greater than 10. It's going to be super easy.
Let's see. I'm sorry, for 3 and 4, you had null on both. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, 3's null, 4's null, 5 does not equal 10, 6 is less than 10.
And the two-tailed does not equal. Oops.
Yeah. Left-tailed is less than, because 10's the mean, so you just want the left side. And then right-tailed, greater than 10, opposite. 8.
Failing to reject the null hypothesis.
Greater than 10. Okay.
It's when P is greater than alpha. I don't know.
Okay, hang on. When it's greater than alpha, we fail to reject.
The P is low, reject the null.
Value is greater than alpha, that's when we fail to reject.
Okay, so when the P is greater than alpha, that's when we fail to reject.
Yeah, let's go with that.
P value is smaller than alpha, that's when the null hypothesis is rejected.
Yeah, P is low, reject the null. So wouldn't it be less than alpha?
When P value is less than alpha, that's when we reject.
Yeah. Oh, and failing to reject, so it would be greater.
Yeah, so 8's greater, and then 9 less than alpha.
All right, I'm on the same page now.
Okay, sorry.
So now we're on 10.
All right. 10.
The appropriate alternate.
The average claim is greater than that because they think the average is greater. So the hypotenuse or the alternative hypothesis is greater than 1500.
Yeah.
And then the null hypothesis is the claim is equal to 1500.
So that was 11.
Yeah.
Okay.
12. I need my calculator now. This is the distribution. So it is a good assumption since the sample size is large. The law of large numbers, or no, is it the central limit theorem?
Yeah, I think it's central limit.
equals
The
40.
test statistic. The z-score is the test statistic.
I don't know why they keep changing the stupid names of things.
Yeah, for real.
Like,
Just what's
okay. C. You assume the distribution is normal. It's a good assumption.
Divided by.
We're just saying since the sample size is large, right?
Then,
Because we don't
then
really
it'll
know
be
about
normal.
what the population is.
Yeah, it'll be normal if the sample size is large.
Of large numbers. Which of the following is the test statistic? Okay. Oops, we're moving on. Okay.
Okay, is everyone on 15 now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so for 15, negative 0.900, I guess, if we're going to bring it all the way up to 3. Is that what everyone got?
Haven't started yet.
Give me a second.
We got negative 0.9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we need our probability applet.
0.05 x is 144. The z-score. Now I can start.
All right, negative 0.9.
Yeah.
What we're saying?
Oh, there's the standard deviation.
Yeah.
That's what we got.
$40.
So we add the negative, right?
Yeah, you need to put negative and then 0.9 or 0.900. I don't know what it wants with the 3 decimals.
Number equals 36. All right, let's see.
So 0.184, is that what everyone's getting for C?
Yeah. Yeah, I got that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Make about the null hypothesis. So the P's higher than the alpha, so reject.
That doesn't seem right. Let's see. Oh, okay. So I'm sorry,
18.
for that z-score, did you have negative 0.9?
Yeah.
Did you guys take
What
your
is it?
test yet?
Yeah, I already took it.
What's the p-value?
What's the little saying from the reading? If the P is high, reject the null, or is it the P is low, reject the
If the
null?
p is low,
P is
reject
low.
the hoe.
Okay, if the P is low, reject the hoe. That's what my wife always says. P is low, reject.
I'm going to remember that one.
I know, seriously.
Perfect.
So the
no
P,
choice but to remember that, right?
so the P value was higher than the level of significance.
Okay,
So then we'd fail to reject the null for 17.
Negative 0.9. P-value. I'm sorry, you guys are like moving at warp speed for my brain today. P-value equals probability of 0.1841. Is that what you came up with?
Yep.
So that's
184,
greater than
yeah.
the alpha. Since it's greater
That's
than the alpha, that means
low enough
we fail
to reject it.
So if the P's higher than the alpha, then so that means that we would fail to reject.
Fail to reject.
3 decimal places, 0.184. Fail to reject. What is your conclusion?
Okay, so if we fail to reject the null, then that means the null is true. So that means we have sufficient.
Insufficient.
We have when that.
Yeah. Hold on.
Because that means the null is true. So the original one is true.
Yeah, we have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150.
Yep.
There are 2 types of errors.
Which one involves
I think it's
rejecting it
type
when
2.
It's true. I thought that was type 1.
Type 1?
Thought so.
Yeah, you're right. It's type 1.
So we have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is 50.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, and then 19. There are two
Type
types of
1.
error that can be made. All right.
Type 1.
Gonna make that graph or that chart.
Yeah,
Okay.
for the
The researcher decided that instead of using a level, we will use that. So the probability of a type 1 will decrease, and the probability of type 2 would therefore increase.
so the probability of type 2 error will increase. That's what we're saying.
Yep.
Okay, the last question.
It's just 0.05.
The answer is 0.05.
Yep.
Okay, how do you know that for 21?
Because in the video, it says that the probability of a typed error is equal to alpha, the level of significance.
So type 1 is always equal to alpha.
Yes.
What about a type 2?
Type
I'm
2,
just asking so I can know, because that confused me.
Type 2 is, it's just going to do the opposite thing. When one type goes up, the other one goes down. So they are related, but
Inversely. Okay, that's what I was. Okay.
that's not something that was in the text that I saw anywhere, but it was in the video.
Yeah, the videos really help.
Okay, are we good then?
I think so.
Wait, so I should start watching the videos now?
To be honest, it's pretty
I
short.
am now.
We
Yeah,
got a
they're pretty
Do you
95.
guys watch? Do you watch the videos and do the readings typically?
To be
I have
honest,
started doing that, yeah.
Okay.
18 was wrong. So we have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150 wasn't the right answer. But I think everything else was right.
Wait, what number?
I just submitted so 15. Or sorry, not 15. 18.
13?
18.
I also
funny
got,
because we got 19 right. I mean, excuse me, you
I
got
got 13 wrong. What did I do wrong there? Oh,
The central limit theorem for 13.
oops.
Well, we have plenty enough time to take it again. And the only one we need to change is
18.
18. Actually, I guess we'll have to put everything else back in again.
18.
We have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150. That's not correct.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what our answers were before that. Fail to reject.
I got him. We can just go through it real fast if you want me to read off.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that, and then we can just give you all the answers again. So we can just fix the one that was wrong. Oh,
Yeah.
fatal open. Okay, true, true,
Null, null.
null. Does not equal 10.
Yeah. Is everyone on the same page or?
Yeah, I'm just
I can just do them real quick, and then we can. I'll give them to everyone else again if everyone's not on. So null
does not equal
10, and then is less than 10, and then greater than 10. Tell me if I'm wrong.
No, you're good.
The P is less than or greater than?
It's greater than.
Greater than.
Alpha.
Less than.
Less than alpha.
Then the average claim amount is greater than.
1,500.
Yeah. Then the average is equal to.
Is equal to 1,500.
Yeah. But then it is a good assumption to. Good assumption since it's large.
Okay. Central limit theorem.
And Z. Negative 0.9. And 0.184.
Okay.
Fail.
Fail to reject. That's the one we're gonna have to talk about. Type 1 error. Right?
Yeah.
Type 2 error will decrease, or increase, I mean.
Yeah.
And 0.05.
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. So
we
if
just need
everybody
to figure
wants,
out 18.
what?
We just need to figure out 18.
Yeah. And then if everybody wants to open it again, does everybody have it open now for the second time?
No.
You
Yeah.
can just run through the answers.
Fail to reject. Let me go look at what it says in here.
Tony, do you have it open for the second time?
Not yet.
Yes, sufficient.
Let's see. My notes weren't very good for that one. I have to look at the other. What do I want? Fail to reject. There's insufficient evidence. What number was that? 18?
Yeah, so 17, we failed to reject the null. So it should be an
It's
insufficient.
insufficient evidence to reject it, basically.
Okay, and
Wait.
that's the hypothesis. So the answer should be we have insufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150. So we didn't prove that the population mean is 150 or that the population mean is less than 150. We just have
Right.
insufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150.
I'm going with that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think that's right.
So we disproved our alternative hypothesis. Is that what we're
Yeah.
saying?
Let's go with that.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
All right, I got 100.
you got 100. Was that you, Tim?
Yep.
Sweet. And then Julian, do you need any of the answers, or do you have them all again?
I got them all, man.
And Tani, do you need me to give you any of the
No,
answers?
I'm good. I'm good.
All right.
I will just open it back up and do it again. Man. Okay.
100. Nice work, everyone.
That was fast.
Let's see. Yes, it
Yeah.
was. I'm shaking. You guys went so fast. Let's see.
Sorry.
What am I looking for? It's cool.
I'm just hungry. Like breakfast.
Yeah, and breakfast too either. I could have something to do with it. Okay.
All right, guys. Thanks for the help.
No problem.
And I will
See you,
send out
man.
a link for Friday.
Sweet. Thanks, Tani.
No problem.
All right.
And I'll join if I can. See you guys.
Okay.
See you, man.
Okay.